The house was filled with joy. Laughter echoed through the air. Everyone was wearing their finest clothes. It was the blessed wedding of Lady Fatima Zahra, the daughter of the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him. Outside in the courtyard stood a poor woman. She looked toward the house with longing, shy, hesitant, feeling out of place among the happy crowd.
Of course I'm happy. How can I not be? This is the wedding of the best lady in the universe.
The woman's eyes caught sight of an old dress being taken out of the house. She thought to herself, perhaps I can ask Lady Fatima for this old dress. She won't need it anymore. Ashamed, she lowered her head, until a kind, gentle voice asked,
My sister, why do you look so sad?
When she shared her wish, Lady Fatima smiled, went inside, and returned, not with the old dress, but with her new wedding gown.
Take this. My father said, the best charity is that which you love the most. Wear it for your wedding.
And that day Lady Fatima gave not just a dress, but a lesson of selfless love, generosity and true faith.